Yeah, I can only see my head. I'm like nervous right now because I almost, well, not, don't you hate it when people don't freaking put their ¿cómo se dice? Signal thing on? Like really, you're trying to risk people's lives just because you're not smart enough to just flick it. It only takes 1 second, maybe 0.5 seconds. Good thing I was paying attention to the road and reacted on time, or else I would have hit the truck in front of me. But it was the car's fault that was in front of the truck. I'm going home, gonna eat my Taco Bell, just got it. And it is hot in Florida, and the perfect thing for this weather right now is freezies. And the wild strawberry one from Taco Bell is so bomb. This reminds me of the other, is it this one? When Taco Bell used to have like a strawberry flavored one with actual like black little seeds in it. Oh my god, that was so bomb. This reminds me of it kind of, but it's really good and I recommend it. Honey, I'm home. I'm gonna eat my Taco Bell, then I'm gonna show you guys what I have planned for today for Mother's Day. So now that I'm done in full, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. I got 3 balloons just to add some pizzazz to my DIY that I'm about to do. I also got some craft paper roll. I got some gift wrapping paper and pastel ones because I want to make it pretty. I got some tissues because we needed some. I got 3 of these flowers just to decorate what I'm about to do. So basically what I'm about to do is make a money bouquet. If you guys don't know what that is, definitely Google it. But I got this idea from YouTube and I'll definitely link the video down because it deserves its credit. 3 styrofoam cones versus floral foam. And I got 3 because I'm just going to put it all like this together. Hopefully I can hot glue it. But my hot glue sucks, so I don't know if it's going to work. But I'm going to try. Then I also got 100 count skewers. And that's a really good deal. And then I got 3 different types of ribbons. 1 to help me tie, the other 2 just to like make a pretty bow tie with it. And that's basically it. And let me get started. And the quality is going to change because I'm gonna set up my phone on the tripod so I could time lapse it, or else this will take forever. But first I'll start out by showing you how to roll up one of the bills. Oh yeah, I also forgot. The most important thing that you'll need is money. So I did tape it up in plastic and I did it the hard way. The lady did it easier, but I didn't want to waste what I used, which was dividers. Not dividers. Is it dividers? No. I'll put the term right here because I forgot the name of it. But I basically put it inside and just cut up so it could form the shape of the dollar bill and tape it up all around. And it did take a lot of work at first. I was doing ones and I'm like, you know what, this is taking too long. I'm just gonna throw in some bigger bills in there. I have a 5, a 10, and 3 20s because it definitely took like maybe 3 hours to do $100 bills. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show you one right now on how the lady does it in her video, and then I'll show you guys how I'm.
Have you ever had a dream that you
how I'm about to do it? I forgot how to talk. I'm sorry. Also, you're gonna need some clear tape and some scissors. So what I'm gonna get started with is the money, and I'll show you how to do one right now. So on the flat end, you're gonna want to wrap the money around it because the pointy part is for this part right here to poke it through the styrofoam. Okay, how did the lady do it? So she taped it down right in the middle. Get some good old tape. Ooh, I ate too much, I'm full. So what you're gonna want to do is tape down the skewer. Make sure it's taped up pretty good and secure. Then what does she do next? Have it. I think she went like this. Something like this. I think. Something like this, and then you're gonna want to tape up this side. I hope I'm showing it right. You're just gonna want to roll it up, y'all. Try to do it as best as you can. That does not look cute. I don't know how she did it, honestly. So I'm gonna have to look it up right now. So we should have both ends into this. Oh, okay. I see what she did. And tape it. And there goes the first one right there. And it should look something like this. Then place that there and do it to the rest of these. And this is where my time lapse begins. And then after this, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Early Mother's Day gift. Here goes the final product, y'all. It ain't the best, but it will do. It's definitely not the same as what the lady in the video did. I put a twist to it. I used the colors I preferred, and instead of using the fake leaves or craft leaves that she used, I just used a pop of color of flowers. And I thought I was gonna need 3 styrofoams, but it turns out you're good with 1, which impressed me because this is a lot of stuff right here. But in the end, it turned out really, really cute. I don't know, something feels off, but I tried. And that's all that matters. It's gonna get disassembled anyways because she has to take out the money. I don't know, I don't think I have mentioned this, but this is for my grandmother. So there's a total of $100 in there. 320s, 110, 15, and the rest are ones. And there was even one where I doubled it like back and front to not waste so much plastic. So cute.
Yeah. Mom, amazing.
Now time to drop it off to my grandma's house.
Right now?
It was really hard covering this up, you guys. I should have paid attention to the way the lady did it in the video, but I didn't. I did get 3 balloons from Dollar Tree, like I mentioned earlier, I believe. And that is it. My DIY Mother's Day gift to my grandmother. Everything is much more sentimental when you do it, I feel like. Or maybe that's just me. But yeah, it came out so cute and pretty, and I can't wait to give it to her, and I'll try to get her reaction or maybe even a picture. You gonna come with me, Mama? So let's go. No? It's so hard to open. Alright, y'all, I'm leaving. That's gonna conclude my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys until next time. Sorry, I'm really tired. I'm out of it.